What's going on, guys? Alright, so today we're going to be working on Mustang again. Doing a little bit of suspension parts. This is the item FA546 Alt FC546. It's the idler arm. I don't remember how much this was. It wasn't very much. I don't know, 30 bucks maybe? Something. This is all the parts that come with it. Every new zerk fitting, some cotter pins, new nuts and all that stuff. So, but also you can hear the bearings need to be packed and adjusted. And we're going to check out the brakes while we're at it. Same thing with this over here. There's not as much play, but again we're going to check out the brakes as well, and then the idler arm. So we're going to rip these tires off real quick and I'll get back with you. Okay, so my goal is to put you guys right in the middle of my way. So hopefully you can see better and I can practice on not knocking the camera over. Alrighty, here we go. This has a cotter pin on there, so we need to remove the cotter pin. Grab yourself a smacking hammer. Ow. Try not to hit your hand on anything else. If that doesn't work, move to a metal one. There we go. That's starting to work now. Alright. I'll take this off. We're going to clean this spindle off as best we can. I just have a little wire brush. If you want to go mechanical on it, you can. Put it on your drill or whatever. I think I might take this off. Okay, so this was totally unnecessary. Don't have to do it, but I'm going to go ahead and, because I want to clean this off really well, put that on the wire wheel. But just 9/16 bolt goes through here and right here. So let's clean that up. We'll clean these off too. I'll get back with you. Okay, so I figured since I have those pieces out, go ahead and paint them. Keep them from rusting. Plus it looks nicer. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and repack these wheel bearings. This cap comes off. There should be another castle nut with a cotter pin. We'll pull that off. We got to pull the caliper off, and then I'll get back to you whenever it comes to actually packing the wheel bearings. I'll probably try to clean this up a little bit with a Scotch-Brite pad or a surface wheel, something like that. But I'll get back with you. I'm gonna do this real quick because I have music playing and I don't want YouTube to ding me for it. But I was going to show you a really quick way to do this. As you get this, that pulls off. You can see that looks fairly new. So, all right, I'll put you back in fast forward. Well, that doesn't need to be repacked. There's plenty of grease in there. The bearing is just a little loose. Yeah, all these bearings are new, so I'm just going to tighten it up properly. It's going to be a T50 Torx. Okay, if you look down in here, you can see that this side is thinner than this side. That tells me that this piston may be seized or locked up. There's some junk back there that may be keeping it from going all the way back in. So let's see if I can get this loosened up. Alright, so I got all this, I think back in working condition. The piston didn't seem stuck, but the actual, one of these slides, I think it's the bottom one, that one seemed like it wasn't sliding very easy. Also just cracked this open and I didn't see any air coming out, so it means there's no air in there, so that's good. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this all back together. This does have the Zerk fitting that needs to be attached on there. I guess they don't put that on there so it doesn't get snapped off during shipping. I don't know, but it seems kind of silly not to do that. So we'll do that and then pump a little bit of grease in there. It's got some dirt in there from cleaning this out, so we'll clean that out real good. And we got all of our painted pieces, and so we'll install all that. It's just an 8mm, so you want to make sure you get it started straight. So the good thing is this only goes on one way. You know, that has to point up. I'm also going to lube this up. Here, that piece came out pretty nice. That'll go in there like this. Put it like that, up in the back. Alright, so we got both of these done, and then what we'll do is put it on the ground, and then once it's on the ground, then you can finish tightening these up, put your cotter pin in, and you're done. I'm going to go work on the other side. Hopefully it's just the wheel bearing that's loose. That's why there's a little play in it. And we'll do the same thing and get it all taken care of. But yeah, that's how to change the pitman arm in a 1966 Mustang. Alright, y'all comment, rate. Look for Too Late I Won on Facebook, and you can interact that way. I have an Amazon shop that's listed if you guys want to shop around. These tools are always fun. But anyways, it helps to support the channel. Y'all comment, rate, and we'll talk to you later. See ya.